Boost your English. Mastering Degree Adverb-Adjective Collocations. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve deep into an exciting aspect of advanced English vocabulary: Degree Adverb-Adjective Collocations. Understanding and using these collocations correctly can greatly enhance your fluency and make your English sound more natural. So, get ready for an interesting journey. Let's start with the basics. In English, a collocation is a combination of words that frequently go together. Specifically, a degree adverb-adjective collocation involves an adverb modifying an adjective to express the intensity, degree or manner of the attribute described by the adjective. Some common examples include highly successful, deeply moved, and extremely happy. Degree adverbs play a significant role in this type of collocation. They help to specify the extent or magnitude of an adjective. For instance, the adverb extremely in extremely happy tells us about the intensity of happiness. Some other examples of degree adverbs include slightly, fairly, incredibly, and utterly. Now that we understand the basics, let's look at some common degree adverb-adjective collocations. Remember, the choice of adverb can drastically change the meaning of your sentence, so choose wisely. Highly successful. Here, highly intensifies the success someone has achieved. Deeply moved. Deeply expresses a profound emotional effect. Utterly ridiculous. Utterly emphasizes the absurdity of something. Incredibly fast. Incredibly accentuates the speed. Fairly simple. Fairly denotes that something is reasonably or somewhat simple. It's now time to put what we've learned into practice. Try to form sentences using the collocations we've just discussed. Remember, practice is the key to mastery. Don't hesitate to use these collocations in your daily conversations or writings. And there you have it. I hope you found this discussion of degree adverb-adjective collocations enlightening. Remember, these collocations can significantly boost the richness and depth of your English expression. So, don't shy away from experimenting and using them in your everyday English. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.